Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Frontiers 2025 report. First of all, let's see why it is in the news. The United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, has issued a stark warning in its report, Frontiers 2025, The Weight of Time, highlighting the dangers posed by increased flooding. These floods can release legacy toxic chemicals from sediments into the environment. These chemicals, long buried in river, lake, and coastal sediments, are highly toxic and pose serious health risks. Now let's discuss about UNEP. The UNEP is a leading global environmental authority established on 5th June 1972. UNEP works on delivering transformational change for people and nature by drilling down on the root causes of the three planetary crises of climate change, nature and biodiversity loss, and pollution and waste. Major reports: Emission Gap Report, Adaptation Gap Report, Global Environment Outlook, Frontiers, Invest into Healthy Planet. Major campaigns: Beat Pollution, UN 75, World Environment Day, Wild for Life. Headquarters: Nairobi, Kenya. Now let's talk about key findings of the Frontiers 2025 report. Reactivated microbes in the cryosphere. As global temperatures rise, microbes frozen in ice sheets, glaciers, and permafrost may become more active. While many are dormant or dead, some could pose threats as pathogens. It is crucial to document these microorganisms for understanding climate history, evolution, and potential disease therapies. River ecosystem restoration. Local communities, including indigenous peoples, women, and youth, are leading efforts to remove barriers like dams to restore river ecosystems. While removing barriers can aid recovery, it must be paired with addressing land use, pollution, and climate change for successful restoration. Environmental risks for aging populations. As the global elderly population increases, they will face greater exposure to extreme heat, air pollution, and disasters, particularly in cities. Adaptation strategies must evolve to safeguard these vulnerable groups. Legacy pollutants from floods. Floods like those in Pakistan, 2010, the Niger Delta, 2012, and Texas, 2017, have stirred up legacy pollutants such as heavy metals and pesticides. Understanding the risks of contaminated sediments and investing in natural flood protection and sediment remediation are crucial. Now lastly, moving on to conclusion. The Frontiers report underscores the importance of addressing emerging environmental issues at an early stage. While these challenges may seem localized or limited in scope, proactive action is essential to prevent them from evolving into larger, more complex global or regional crises. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about UNEP. 1. UNEP's major reports include the Emission Gap Report and Global Environment Outlook. 2. UNEP's headquarters are located in New York, US. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.